When the grid goes down, the hospitals close. That means a simple mosquito bite can quickly turn into a lethal, uncurable vector-borne disease. You cannot rely on store-bought chemical sprays forever. If you want to protect your family and secure your perimeter, you must know how to eliminate these biological threats using basic, off-grid supplies. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today we are breaking down how to make 5 easy-dye mosquito killers to defend your home. Let's go. Number 1. The 2-liter CO2 trap. Mosquitoes track the carbon dioxide you exhale. Cut the top off a 2-liter bottle, invert it like a funnel, and fill the base with warm water, brown sugar, and active yeast. The yeast ferments, pumps out heavy CO2, and lures the mosquitoes into the trap where they drown. Number 2. Smoldering coffee grounds. Do not throw away your used coffee grounds. Dry them out completely, place them in a tin can or on a piece of foil, and light them like incense. The dense, smoldering smoke completely masks your human scent profile and drives mosquitoes away from your camp. Number 3. Lemon eucalyptus oil spray. When chemical DEET runs out, this is your primary medical-grade alternative. Mixing pure oil of lemon eucalyptus with witch hazel creates a powerful, scientifically proven topical barrier that stops mosquitoes from ever landing on your skin. Number 4. The apple cider vinegar death trap. Mosquitoes are highly attracted to the fermented scent of apple cider vinegar. Fill a small cup with vinegar and mix in several drops of liquid dish soap. The soap destroys the surface tension of the liquid, instantly pulling them under when they land to drink. Number 5. Garlic barrier spray. An incredibly cheap, highly scalable perimeter defense. Boil heavily crushed garlic in water, let it steep, and pour it into a pump sprayer. Spray this directly onto the grass, bushes, and trees surrounding your property to create a toxic, invisible barrier that mosquitoes refuse to cross. Secure your perimeter and stop biological threats before they reach your family. Build these traps today. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I will see you next time.